Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope you're having a great weekend and got some exciting news. And it's kind of perfect timing because I got a muscle spasm on my bottom right hand part of my back. And that is with the VPOD EMS TENS unit. And it is so cool. So I did a video review and I will put a link to that. But I wanted to show you. So they have these discs. So I've got one there on my bottom left part of my back, and then I also have the pad, and then I also have one on my bottom right side. So what's really cool about this is you can treat part of your upper body if you wanted to do a leg at the same time, so you can have multiple devices. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the app and you're going to click I agree to the terms of use, click start. So once you turn what you're going to do is you're going to turn the power on both of the discs, unless you just use one. So first it's going to start one. We're going to click OK, and you could see it found it because it was on. So I'm going to click pair. So now click next, and now we're in the app. And as you can see, there are 24 different modes, and then you have number of intensities, which is called power. And then you could choose the time as well. And then in the top right hand corner, you got your TENS and EMS. Again, you can click on my profile to see the full review of how it all works. So I'm going to move my camera a little bit out of the way. So you'll see device A. Now I want to add the second one. I'm going to click the 3 lines, and it's a little sensitive to the phone screen, but not a problem. So we're going to click add device, and now I've found the B. So I'm going to click next. So now you can see A and B are on top. So now what I can do first is choose a mode for B. So I'm going to click number 19, which I like is continuous. And then I'm going to press play, and that starts it. So now device B is on, and you could do the same thing for A. You could choose the power setting specifically for that one. Now I'm going to go into device A, and I am going to choose, let's say number 14, butterfly, and then I'm going to turn it on, and that is on, and then I can then choose the power setting for that. So you can have a different mode for A and power, and a different mode and power for B. And if you wanted to change that, again, you just go into B, and you can see it's power 6. If I were to want to go higher, I'm now at 7, and then if I want, I can go into device A. Let's see if I can get it. My screen is touchy, so I accidentally touched number 2. So if let's just say you accidentally touched it, no problem. We'll go back here to butterfly, and I'm going to click start, and it's now back up, and it's up to 7, and that is for B. And again, if I go to A, we're also at butterfly, I'm going to go change that to continuous, and I could adjust the power there as well. So you can adjust the power as well as the mode for each one separately, and then when you're done and you want to stop, you press the middle button. So we stopped A, and now for B, I'm going to click stop, and then you're done. And then I could just take off the pad and the disc like this, and you can see that there. And let me just show you then what I do after is I lay it on this card. Let's see, on here. Let me show you. So there you go. You can see it's still flashing. I press the button, it turns it off. And so B is off. And then on the other side, I am going to put the other one. And then I'm good to go. So just wanted to share with you, you can use multiple devices, and you can have separate modes and separate power. Let me know if you have any questions. I love what the company's done here. It definitely is a game changer when it comes to using an EMS and TENS type of device versus using it with a wired option. Have a great day. Stay pain-free. Thanks so much again for your time. Have a great day.